So I had 2 pieces of scrap wood that I'm gonna use to make these lids. I need to make one more. These 2 are pretty close. I just need to clean up the edges because they're cut really rough. Got 3 lids. That's gonna look good. Yeah. So 3 of those. Got 3 pairs of hinges and the hardware that came with them, and impact grill. And I got my tape measure so I can try to center everything up. Go ahead and pull it out to 1 inch or so and have it locked. All right. Do I install the hinge to the cabinet first and then line it up and mount it? I think that might be the way I do it. I don't think that's right, but I think that's gonna give me what I want as far as looks go the best. So guys, the camera died yesterday while you guys were watching me put in the hydraulics. So I don't know where it died. I haven't reviewed the footage. They are all done. They're a little finicky, which I had read they can be. You kind of have to play with them to get them to work right. Got them adjusted well. It's kind of satisfying how well it keeps the cabinet shut. I didn't know they held them shut that well. We're about to start working on the faces for these cabinets and the pull-out pantry, make everything look a little prettier. Let's get to it. So initially, I was gonna center these by like drawing lines basically on where the actual drawer needs to line up on the tops and bottoms, and then clamp it and screw it, but I just realized it would be a lot simpler and faster if I just marked the center of this board and the center of the drawer on top and the side. And just did that, and then clamped it and screwed it together.
Overseeing production?
My supervisor here.
It's going good?
On schedule.
Yeah.
That's it for this week's video, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching. If you got any value from the video, hit that subscribe button below, and we'll catch you guys next week. See ya.